Refresher automatically refreshes the Amazon Relay page at regular intervals. The refresh intervals are counted in milliseconds. The suggested refresh rate is 550 to 750 millisecond. Randomize is a function that adds an element of randomness to the refresh interval. It helps to prevent the Amazon server from being overloaded and makes it more difficult for websites to detect the SwiftRelay autobooker. Payout and per mile rate features can help drivers find the most profitable loads to transport. We suggest putting the minimum payout and PMR you are willing to accept. The extension will try to book loads above what you've requested. The stop is the maximum number of pickup and drop-off location you are willing to have during one trip. The minimum number of stops is 2 as the first pickup and the final drop-off. Exclude specific pickup or drop-off location. You can indicate the state, city, or zip code where your driver does not wish to operate. By entering this information, SwiftRelay will automatically filter out any loads originating from or destined for those locations. Time range is the stem time window you want the loads to be at. A good practice is to give yourself at least 30 minutes to get to the first pickup location. Set your stem minimum to 30 min. Autobook automatically books the loads according to the set loads preferences. With Autobook on, you won't have to go through the manual process of searching, selecting, and mentally pressing Amazon Relay's book button. Non-stop booking helps you continuously book many similar loads with one click. It's best used for companies with several available trucks in a particular area or the local loads deliveries. Now, turn the Autobook on feature, indicate the number of loads you want to book, and click Start.